Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to check Python version, pip version and the packages installed in Python. So we're going to start from the search bar. You're going to search cmd and here command prompt is opened. You just type here python space hyphen version and press the enter button. It will take it is showing you the Python version installed in your system. Now I'm going to check the pip version. For this you just type pip space hyphen version. It will take a little time and show you the current version of pip installed in your system. Yes, it shows us the pip version, that is 23.2 installed in your system. Coming to next, you can check how many packages are installed in your system, the Python packages. For that we are going to check pip space list. Press the enter button. It will take a moment and will show you the list of all the packages installed in your system. It will show you now how many packages are installed and the respective versions. Now you can see these packages are installed in your system and their respective versions. For example, we can see the matplotlib and other packages, numpy and the pillow. Pillow is most widely used version as it deals with Python image library. Short form is pill. Now if you want to install any other package in your system, you just type pip install and the package name. For example, I'm going to install pillow, which is already installed, but for example I'm just showing you here pip installed pillow and press enter. First it will check either the package is installed in your system or not. If the package is installed, it will show you a message the package is already installed. If not, then it will install that package in your system. Here you can see the requirement is already there, so this package is already installed. There is another way to check the Python version and the pip version. I'm going to show you that is from Python IDLE. So go to search bar, type here IDLE. You can show on the top Python LDA. You just open it. It will take a moment. Yes, it is showing on the top which Python version is installed, and it is also showing the date and the time. On that date and time that Python version is installed in your PC. So friends, that's it from today's video. Thank you so much.